morning student. Today I will make you understand chapter more about MS Paint. First of all, see, starting with MS Paint. This is the window of MS Paint. Okay, MS Paint, it is used to draw, paint. Okay, see, this is the window is MS Paint. Here this is the tab, home tab, view tab. Okay, this is menu bar, and this is where we can select drawing tools, and this is the title bar. This show which program we use. This is minimize button, this is maximize button, and this is close button. This is color, from where we pick the color. Okay, this is known as group. Okay, so first of all we will read about the tools which we use in MS Paint. Okay, using tools in MS Paint. First one is shape tool. The shape group or home tab has tools like line, curve, rectangle, rounded rectangle, polygon, etc. So when we use shape group, okay, we can make any type of shape like rectangle or rounded rectangle or polygon, square, okay, circle. We can use it in shape group. Okay, this is rounded rectangle tool. What is rounded rectangle tool? This tool is used to draw rectangular shape, but the rectangle are as a bit rounded. Okay, this is used to create rectangle tool, but the rectangle which will be drawn will be little rounded or curved. Okay, so we will go to next page number 58. So see, this is the rounded rectangle. How we will draw rounded rectangle? First we will click on home tab. See, this is the home tab. Okay, then we will go to rounded rectangle. This is the rounded rectangle. Okay, so we will click and we will draw. When we will draw, the diagram will be like this. Okay, in this way we can draw rounded rectangle. Then come to curve tool. This is used to make different shape with different curve. To draw curve tool, how we will draw curve tool? Same as we draw rounded rectangle. We will go to home tab, then we will click on curve. See, we will click on curve. This is the curve diagram. See, very clearly it is shown. Okay, then we will click here, then we will drag the mouse, and ultimately the curve tool will be drawn. Okay, then come to polygon tool. Polygon tool, this tool can be used to make any kind of shape with a number of sides. What is polygon tool? Polygon tool is used to make any kind of shape with a number of sides. Okay, so here how we will make? We will go to home tab, then we will click on polygon. Polygon, see, this is the polygon symbol. Okay, we will click on the size actually, and we will select the width, how much line width will be there. Okay, then we will draw the polygon. Then the diagram will be like this. Okay, how many sides we need? We can draw according to it. Okay, then next is text tool. This text tool is used to write the text in a drawing area. What is text tool? It is used to write text in a drawing area. If we want to write anything in a drawing area, we can use text tool. See, this is written here. How we will use? First we will click on home tab. Okay, home tab, then we will go on text tool. This A which you are seeing, this is called text tool. Okay, we will drag this. Okay, we will drag the diagram, and we will write whatever thing we want to write. Then come to next page. Now it is saying we have learnt about various drawing tools using color in previous class. Follow this step to draw a scenery. How we will draw scenery? First we will go to home tab, then we will select shape. Okay, now bring the mouse to the pointer on drawing area. Okay, first we will select one rectangle type shape. Okay, then we will select square, then automatically the house will be like this. Then we can add more squares in it, and this will be the house. Then diagram, you see, it is used here. We will use all types of shape, and we will create a scenery. Okay, then come the coloring the scenery. How we will color the scenery? First, fill with color option. We will select fill with color option. This is the fill with color option. Okay, this is fill with color option. We will choose this. Okay, then we will select the picture which we want to color. then we will color. Click on the picture in which we want to color. Okay, then we will color it and the scenery will look like this. Okay, we can even use brushes. We can even use this brush to color the scenery. See, this is the symbol of the brush. Okay, so magnifying a picture. Magnifying a picture means to enlarge the view of a picture. It is help to see images in a large format. So what is magnifying? Whenever we zoom a picture, that is known as magnifying. We can use magnifier. How we will use magnifier? Click the magnifier from tools. See, this is, we will select. Okay, click the magnifier from the tools group. From the tools group we will create magnifier, then the picture will look like this. Okay, it will be slightly zoom. Okay, see, click on the which we want to select the picture, which we want to enlarge, we will click and the automatically the picture has been zoomed here. See, where is magnifier located? It is located in toolbox. See, this is the magnifier, which is a symbol look like magnifier. Okay, then how to flip and rotate an image? How we will flip or rotate an image? Sometimes the pictures are quietly right side, sometimes left side. According to our need, we can flip the picture and also we can rotate the picture. How we will do? Step first, we will go to home tab. We will click in home tab, then we will select the image. We will select the image. Okay, then here see all the options are available. Rotate right 90, rotate left 90, rotate 180, flip vertical, flip horizontal. According to our need, we will select the option in which way we want to rotate, and the automatically the picture will be rotated. Okay, see, here it is rotated in flip vertical. First the picture was like this, then it is rotated in flip vertical. Okay, what is crop image? Now crop image, when you crop an image or photo, you remove some part of an image. Means, listen, if sometimes when we click photo, if some part we want to remove some person from a picture, that time we use crop image. Means sometime we want to remove something which is not looking nice in a picture, that time we will use function like crop image. How we will crop an image? First we will click on home tab. Okay, then select from image group, we will select. Okay, see, select option here it is given. Okay, then we will select. When we will select the part of a image which you want to crop, okay, then we will select the part of a image which we want to crop. We will click. Okay, select, then we will go to crop option. Okay, then we will crop the image. Okay, now it is copy and paste. What is copy and paste? You know, we can copy and paste an image from one place to another. You have read this in class 1 also, how we will copy. Okay, how we will copy? Say, first we will go to home tab. Okay, when we will select the picture which we want to copy, we will select. Okay, we select the image by dragging the mouse. We will select, then we will go to copy option. Okay, when we to copy the image, click on copy. Okay, then we will go to copy. Okay, then from the clipboard where we want to copy, we can copy. And there is also a shortcut key for copy. You know, Ctrl+C, it is a shortcut key for copy. Okay, and where we want to paste, we will paste the diagram. Say, here we have copied the image and then we have pasted it in side of the original image, so it looks like two image. Okay, this one is original and this one is copy one. Okay, this, then cut and paste. What is cut and paste? Okay, cut and paste option allow us to move an image from place and paste it to another place. When we cut an image, the image will be removed from its original place. Means, see, if we have cut this image, okay, and then paste it here, then this image will be removed. This image will not be there. See how we will do cut and paste. We will go to home tab. Okay, we will select the image. Okay, then we will cut. We will click on cut clipboard. Okay, then we will do cut option. We will select cut. Okay, see, cut option is available here. See, this one is cut. Okay, we will click on this. Then here we will paste. Paste option is also there. See, it is given paste option. We will paste. When we will paste, the original image, it will not be there. It will be removed. Okay. Now how we will save a drawing? How we will save a drawing? To save a drawing, follow this step. First we will click on File tab. Okay. Then we will click on Save. See, Save option here it is showing. Save. Okay. Then we will click on Save As. Save As. Okay. Then we will, this type of window we will display. Here we will write our name of the file. Okay. Then here we will click Save. Automatically the image will be saved, okay, in our computer. Then closing paint window. How we will close paint window when our work is over? See, first we will go to File button. File button, it is there. You see File button. Okay. Then we will go to Exit. Then we will automatically close the paint window which we were using. This chapter is over. If anyone have doubt regarding this chapter, you please message me.